All right, this is our final session 5 in our lesson 8 of math. It says use order and grouping to multiply. So let's work on this. It says change the order and use parentheses. That's these, right? You guys can't see me. It says use parentheses. That's that. Okay. To group the factors to find 4 times 9. So what do you want to switch? 2 and the 4? Wouldn't that be this? So then you would multiply 9 times 4 is 36, and 2 times 36. Really don't know that. So what do you think am I going to be switching? 4 and 9? 2 and 9? Okay. All right, let's go 4 times. So switch the 2 and 9. That'll be 2 times 9, right? Yes? And where should I put the parentheses? They're on the 4 and the 2. Yes. 4 times 2 is? 8. Okay. And I'm going to rewrite it again so I could bring the 9 down. So now it's 8 times 9. I could do that with the little finger trick, right? What's 8 times 9? 72. Very nice. Okay. Got to work out the problems, right? Okay. You're not a calculator, so you got this.
Now, our multiplication problems have parentheses. These are parentheses. Parentheses tell us to do that part first. So for this one, 5 times 2 times 3, I start with 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10 times 3. 10 times 3 is equal to 30. Down here, again, parentheses first. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. 5 times 6 is equal to 30. The answer is the same, but we get to that answer a different way. It seems like it's not a big deal in these two problems because you get to the same answer. However, when we add other symbols in, like addition, now watch what happens. So in these two problems, again, we start with the parentheses. 5 times 2 is equal to 10, and 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. In this one, we start with the parentheses. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Look at that. The answers are different. Just because we added a different symbol, now we're not getting the same answers. Always start with the parentheses and you'll never go wrong.
Cool.
Now,
All right, so go to 205. All right, it says there are 5 rows of tables. Okay, in the cafeteria, each row has 8 tables. Okay, that's this array right here. Maria knows that 8 times 5 is 40. How can she use this to figure out how many tables there are? Okay, look at how you could show your work using arrays. Well, like this: 5 rows, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with 8 tables in each row. She could do this array or this one, where this one has how many rows? 8, with 5 each. Okay. All right. So let's look on page 205. Okay. Here's the first one. It says there are 2 classes. All right, of 3rd graders. In each class, there are 3 rows of desks with 7 desks in each row. So I already got my 3 numbers already, right? So how am I going to write this in a multiplication equation? Okay, 3 times 7 times what? times 2. Look, it's my 3 numbers like this. Okay? Now, what I would do, what's the first number that's listed in the problem? 3? Read the first sentence. Yeah, 2 classes. Okay? And it says in each class there are 3 rows of desks. Just follow along. And then how many desks in each row? 7. Look, they're already there. It says show how to group them. Well, I'm going to group 2 and 3. What's 2 times 3? 6. And bring down the 7. So now it's 6 times 7. So what's 6 times 7? Anybody? That's right. 42. Okay, 42. Let's look at 2. It says AJ needs to find 3 times 8 times 2 to show one way to find the product. Use parentheses to show how you grouped the numbers. Okay, show your work. Okay, what do you think I should do first? Yeah. Do I need to rearrange the numbers? Probably, because 8 times 2 is 16, and then I got 3 times 16. Yeah, that might be a little hard. We haven't covered that in class yet, okay? So I'm going to go 3 times, then what? 2 times 8. Because now I could put parentheses around 3 and 2, right? So I do what's inside the parentheses first. So what's 3 times 2? 6 times 8, whatever's left on the outside. So what's 6 times 8? 48. All right, 48. It says Matt knows 4 times 6 equals 24. What other math fact does this help Matt remember? 6 plus 4? 8 times 3? Yeah, true, but it's not part of this fact family. It has to be the same 3 numbers. How about 24 minus 8? How about 6 times 4 equals 24? Yes, because the factors are just rearranged, right? Okay, so it would be D. Sadie chose A. Is she correct? Sadie chose this one. Is she right? No, because that's actually addition. Okay. And 6 plus 4 plus 10 are not the same numbers as I have in the math problem. All right, it says Jackson knows that 9 times 7 is 63. He needs to solve the equation blank times 9 equals 63. Huh. So what would go in the blank? 7, because look. Whoops. My bad. Sorry. 9, 9. 63, 63. If I have a 7 here, what do you think is going to go there? 7. So the answer is C. So which of the following is not true? Okay, is A true? Are the same numbers on the right same as numbers on the left? Yeah, that's true. Yes. How about B? If it was B, then it would be 9. 3 times 3 would be 9, which is this right here. Whoops. Which is this one. Okay. Okay, but the 6 should be in place of the 3. So I can't. So the actually to answer the question, which of the following is not true? It would be B. Okay, because look here on C. Look at C. What's 3 times 3? 9. They have this right here. Okay, and then I have the 6 is left over. That's what I have there. That's true. Okay, here they added what's 6 times 3? 18. See, so 6 times 3 is equal to 18. So if 6 times 3 is on the left, 18 is on the right. That's correct. Plus they have the 3 left over.